Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to become a virtual assistant in Airbnb. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you're gonna need Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now on your screen you can see you can find listings from the top search bar option on the Explore. Find the listing that's looking for co-host. It's not available built in the app, so you're gonna have to join some social media where there's Airbnb community group where they're looking for co-host, or you can directly go to the listing that you want to be a virtual assistant of. Go ahead, scroll down and tap on message them and ask if they're looking for a virtual assistant. Then if they are, just provide them with your phone number and email ID. Then all they have to do is go to their profile there and switch to hosting. Once they switch to hosting, they're gonna have to go to the listing on the bottom of the screen. Now they have to open the listing that they want to add you as a virtual assistant of. Scroll down there and find co-host option. Add your phone number and email address. Then you'll be added as a co-host. As a co-host, you'll become the virtual assistant, as you'll have the access to the listings management tools, allowing you to handle reservation, guest communication, and other tasks directly from the Airbnb platform. And guys, that's it. That's how you become a virtual assistant in Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.